Go hit that. 1, 2, 3. How do you call this? Chopper? Helicopter? Okay. The other one is you need the remote control right here. The remote is right here. Okay. But this one, just on it, put it on top of your hands, and ready to fly. Okay. There's a hard crash.
It's gonna stop the propeller.
Take it easy, boy. Press the button. This one. Press this. Put it up. No. Pull it. Push it like that. Okay? Just be careful, okay? But this one is not gonna harm you. Only you have to be careful. Alright, you're doing it, boy. Come on. 2 years old. Learning how to fly. Boy, you wanna play the bowling? See, there's a ball right there. The red ball right there. And there's a crystal sweet root. Rainbow colors. What are you gonna do? Line them up? Good job. You okay? I'm gonna put this together over there. Watch out, okay? Turn this up to save the battery. Go and line them up together by colors, okay? Go. Look, there's one more behind you. Okay. What? You're happy to see them? Where's your brother? Power up! Press the button! Come on!
See all of this.
Come on, Batman! The Batman is right there. See? See? I told you. Not that. Not the tiny stuff. That one. See? I told you.